Battle for the unsinkable aircraft carrier. Hello friends, welcome to Engineers channel. We will talking about the Diego Garcia Island. Diego Garcia Island is in Mauritius, US and but US and UK captured these islands the British era. The US says the UK is stupid and weak to give this up. Why surrender a strategic asset? US says why we will give to Mauritius and Lee Diego Garcia Island in the Indian Ocean in middle. Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan and South China Sea is controlled by USA in Diego Garcia Island. Diego Garcia Island, a legacy of colonialism, the creation of British Indian Ocean Territory (BIOT). 1814, Britain captured Chagos Archipelago and Diego Garcia. And 1960 to 1970, explosion of Chagosian to clear way to US base. And Diego Garcia is mainland to US base on the Diego Garcia Island. And the 2019, the legal turning point. Mauritius go to UN and claimed the Diego Garcia Island, and UK accepted and says US and UK give us Diego Garcia Island base for 1919 years lease, and we will give you 110 million plus infrastructure investment in Mauritius. So the deal with the Mauritius benefits. But Trump's view, why pay when we are strong? Trump says Diego Garcia Island is most important asset for the Indian Ocean, and US knows the China threat string of pearls on Indian Ocean, and India's dilemma, because India is fear for Chinese increment increment in Diego Garcia Island, but support Mauritius sovereignty. So India is on dilemma, and in Mauritius is vulnerable to Beijing because Beijing give us loan and support to Beijing, support to Mauritius, and Mauritius also give the Chagos Archipelago and Diego Garcia Island to China. And the current scenario is the deal through. Then Mauritius sovereignty is back and US base in 99 years treaty. But scenario B, deal collapses, the UK retains control on Trump. And current scenario B is also on the path, because US says we will never give these islands to Mauritius. So current scenario, the power game is on the board. Chagos discussed in a front line in the US China Cold War. So we will watching on every second and every minute of geopolitics. Thanks for watching.